you're going to need some tools to take the carpet up and refit it. You might not need a stretcher or a knee kicker, but see how it goes. You're going to need some gaffer tape. Obviously you're going to need your extension for the cable. So first of all, basically you need to start by pulling back the carpet. So if you just get your knife, get it in the corner, try and pull back a bit of the carpet, and then just carry on around the edge. So sometimes they spray it to the gripper, just depends really who's fitted it, but this one's alright, so it shouldn't be a problem. So once you've got it pulled back, you want to obviously get it so you can work around it. So obviously make sure that you hold it back. And then what we need to do is we're going to have to cut a channel out of the underlay all the way around where you're going. So basically it's going to come down here behind the carpet, and then it's going to come along here and all the way around to that corner over there. Now you want to, around the corners, you're going to need a bit of a bigger gap because it doesn't bend so well, but what you want to try and aim to do is try and keep the gap as small as possible, so you can give it a bit of, to wedge it in, and if you have to, just tape it every now and then onto the gripper, like so. Okay. Also, this is behind the sofa anyway, but if you were to do a big gap like that, sort of around here, the carpet will start to sink, and you'll see a horrible line where the wire is. So by keeping it nice and tight, then it will give it, a nice snug fit, and the carpet will just sit how it should. And whatever if you're going to do it, don't put it down the back here, because obviously that's designed for the carpet to be tucked down, and if you do that, you won't be able to tuck the carpet down and it won't fit back properly. So yeah, just keep going round. Like I say, if you need to put a bit of tape there to hold it down, just put a bit of tape across, and I'll see you at the other end. So there we are. Run it all the way along. Piece of piss really. So it's going to come up in that corner. So you can put as much tape as you want or wherever you think you need it. Just hook it onto the gripper. The spots will come through anyway, so that'll be fine. Now it's just a case of refitting the carpet. Fitted. It's just a case of connecting these cables, tidying them up a little bit. So there we go. I'm not really too bothered about that because it's going to be on a sofa. If you want to obviously comment and moan about the state of the cables, it's up to you. But anyway, so yeah, That's connected there. Where's down here? Comes up here. All I've got to do now is put the TV back, connect the Skybox. We'll see if it works. Alright, so let's just boot it up, see if it works. First time, don't know what's going to happen.
And in continue
There we go.
watching, you can find shows and series you've already
Works.
started but not yet finished,
Fine.
picking up exactly where you left off.
Wonderful family vacation, and I'm so sorry.
And there we go. All good. So yeah, basically, just goes under the carpet, comes up there, goes down beyond there. I suppose if we really wanted to be picky and make a good job, could have just run the cable from the dish along the wall on the outside. Could have gone through the wall down there and brought it out just behind that radiator. But to be fair, couldn't be bothered, and who's going to do that anyway? So yeah, thanks for watching.